I'm now going to show you how to use a tool called Notebookcast. This is a free, easy to use collaborative whiteboard. As specified in our assignment details, it can be used on any device, any web browser. I've tested it with using my PC along with an iPad. It's nice to be able to use a tablet. It's just a little easier to use your finger to draw things than using a mouse, but anything can be used. My intended audience would be students or coworkers, potentially even for teacher in-service days. The purpose that I would use it for would be an online collaborative tool to use during either face-to-face time for class-wide brainstorming, or I could even use it for virtual learning and teaching. Though I don't teach math anymore, this would be a really good tool for math teachers, especially if they're teaching online. Some standards that correlate with this tool would be the ISTE standard T 1D, modeling collaboration in face-to-face or virtual environments, as well as T3B, collaborating with students and peers using digital tools. If you Google Notebookcast, this is what you're looking for, so you can just type in notebookcast.com as well. If you're going to use multi-users, which is what I would recommend, I would hit this so you can create a multi-user online whiteboard. When you're sending this link to your students, they would click join an online whiteboard using a code, but as a teacher you would probably want this choice. Create a nickname, so I'll call this New Technology. Choose your board size, title, call it Practice, hit Submit, and you have your whiteboard. It's as simple as that. When you want to invite others, you just click on this little invite button, and that is the code that they would have to enter. Or if you want to email them for direct access, all they would need to do is click on that link. And like I said, I did get out my iPad and test it, and it works great. You have some options up here. Color, for when you draw. What kind of paper? I kind of like having just a clean whiteboard. Line width, different tools you can use, pencil, laser pointer, you can add text, add a picture. This I think would be really useful to capture the board. So after you're done brainstorming, you can take a picture of it and then clear board. Shapes that you can use, pretty basic, and then there's a chat feature down below. I'm trying to use it so you can see it real quick. I think it's not showing up on my screen. Let's make my window a little smaller and see if we can take a look at that. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Once you have other people, they'll show up right here on the screen. But like I said, I could see this being really useful if you're in a classroom and you have the opportunity to have not whiteboards. If you have iPads, you could give one to maybe each student group, and they can write on it and then share it as a class. Math teachers, I think if they're teaching virtually, this could be a really easy way for them to write out math problems. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks.